while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Good morning, guys. I was sleeping down there. I moved to the couch right here and recline it and watching some shows. What show is this, Han? Han? What show is this? Oh, CSI. Yeah, January 3rd of 2017. Welcome, guys. Good morning. And time check, it is 7:05 in the morning. And yeah, so I'm just gonna watch the show, lie down here and blank. Outside, guys, look, it's wet. It's been raining and it's foggy out there. Time check, it is 8 o'clock already. Yeah, it's 8 o'clock. I think I'm gonna add water and coffee because for sure when he get up, that's the first thing he does. Why this light? We use this water, not this one. This is filtered already, this water here, but this one is filtered also, you know, twice. So that's why we get that water. I'll put this right here. So it's like a restaurant. It's like a restaurant. There you go, guys. Ready for dining. Are you ready for dining? I am making Tommy's. Well, I'm making our breakfast, but I'm making him a French toast. He just want one French toast, and I'm gonna have like 2, and he's going to have the egg. I'm just gonna show you how I do my French toast. And then I put onion and garlic, salt and pepper, ground pepper. Yeah, like this, and salt. And then I'll be right back. Do I have milk here? Oh, we don't have milk.
You have milk? Oh, downstairs.
Downstairs? Yeah. So I guess we don't have milk, guys. No, you said we have one in the basement, Han.
No, you said we still have one in the house. I thought we must be in the basement when you said we didn't have it here.
Because you told me the last time we were here.
I had 2 here Christmas, that's why I know.
3 breads for me, for my babay, because he just want one. But actually, he doesn't really want it. But I want him to have one because it's boring if it's just one. Powdered garlic. Or yeah, powder. Hi guys, I just wanna share it with you. I starting sharing you my life, and I'm just gonna share it with you what I heard. Yeah, if you know, in my private Facebook account, I uploaded clips of the video that I made in YouTube in this channel, the singing part, and I heard in this group, itong pamilya Mada na ito. yung anak ng kapatid ng asawa ko na ikakasal, may narinig lang ako na salita na ano daw, nakita niya daw akong kumakanta. Yung kapatid ng asawa ko nagtatanong, saan mo nakita? Sinindan ka ba? Sinindan ka ba ng video? Sabi niya, no, it worse because nilagay niya sa Facebook. So anong grabe doon sa pag nilagay ka ng kumanta? Bawal na ba ngayon ang be yourself? Bawal na ba ngayon ang be yourself? You know, Yun lang ano, kasi lang na ano lang ako sa yung mas malala pa, worse malala, mas malala pa na. Doon ako sa word na malala. Sinabi niya na hindi ko sinensaya pero malala ang ginawa ko kasi nilagay ko sa Facebook. Nilagay ko naman yun para sa New Year's lang, kasiyahan, at saka para rin sa yung mga pamilya ko, yung mga sister ko nanonood na kasi sinabihan ko, manunood naman kayo, uy, ng video ko. So yun, pag meron akong nilagay doon, tinatago ko sa kanila kasi marami akong maririnig noon pa. Yun lang guys, inano ko lang sa inyo. Ano yun sa Tagalog yung sinishare? Yeah, sinishare ko sa inyo. Oh my God, my tummy is like this. He doesn't understand what I'm saying. He do like this. So that's really it guys. Yun lang, sinishare ko lang sa inyo. Yun lang naman. Kasi sinishare ko naman sa inyo yung ano ko. So, i-share ko na rin yung maliit na bagay na nararamdaman ko. Kasi, tae. Ano yung nakautot nung ko na. May tawis reaction. May tawis reaction guys. No, tawis reaction is like, Han, I'm sorry, Han. He do like this guys, and then I just like, I said tae, and then nakautot na ako, and then he do like this. What is that noise? He doesn't even realize it's a party. He turned his head like the refrigerator is having problem. Han, smile baby, smile baby. I'm too noisy, the window is open. So anyway guys, yun lang naman guys. Anyway guys, I'm gonna wash dishes now because Tommy is like wondering like what my wife is doing. But anyway guys, I love guys, it reminds me when my mother have a baby, like when my sisters and brother when they're kid, I remember my mother is always or the name of the baby like Micah. Mikey Kong. My God, it gives me headache. You're gonna go shower and you don't even invite me? Nobody, you invite your girlfriend. We are going. I'm just looking for the remote. I am wearing my boots, guys. This is my winter boots, but it's raining, so I have to wear that because I don't have a nice sneakers. That sneakers I only have one because Roxy ate the one. I have just to kill the TV because we're going out. And what else? And that's really it. Pansit. Yeah. Yeah, I locked everything.
You gotta do something for I just want to try and...
Oh, you're gonna... Also, we're not going yet?
Yeah, we are going. Honey, it's gonna take a couple minutes. You're gonna deal with it. Where's the screwdriver?
I don't want to deal with it. Okay. We have 3 garage door, right? We have 3 garage door. And the middle door is not working, right? It's just like going up and down and shake, shake, shake. Shake to the right and shake to the left. Dun 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 dun.
Now, see on the mirror? Button 2.
What mirror?
See this button? 2.
Oh, 2.
When I tell you to press it, then I want you to press it. Hold it.
Okay then. 2? Yeah. I hold it. Not working.
Do anything?
It's blinking, oh house, and been blinking, look. Do you want me to let go?
Press it again.
Oh my G. Yeah. It looks scary. They have different kind here, guys.
Oh, they got.
I like this one better. I'm debating what I'm getting, guys. That
Is
one
this big enough?
or that one. Yeah, that's good enough. I think this one. Okay, Han, you win. So I guess we're getting this one. This is really expensive, guys. Did you see the price? Look, it's 30 bucks and this is 25.
I'm sorry, I forgot I was your servant.
It's heavy, Han. Servant. It's heavy. Put it here.
I don't want to touch that one.
No, it's not gonna touch.
These carts aren't really made for delicate crap.
Be careful. This car, guys, when you open the passenger door, the driver door, you can't open the 3 doors, the back seat doors.
You can if you use the remote. You just press it twice.
If you fit, yeah, but if you do it just you, that's why I'm
It's
soaked.
supposed to be. It's for your safety.
I know, but that's why I'm soaked in, guys. Look, I'm wet
Oh,
because he
please.
just let me stand outside.
Good for
Some, good for me. Some
Good for you.
Some husband, they let their wife sit, you know.
No,
they'll
get wet. Some wives aren't afraid of getting wet.
Oh God. This is what happened in Los.
They're sitting there talking.
Yeah, they're just talking, do nothing. And we're stuck over
Yeah,
here.
they're gonna fuck.
We are home family. It's the bista. Tommy got a root beer. I don't know what root beer tastes like. Let's see. I never tasted root beer. It's like a. It tastes like a bubble gum. You know the Philippine bubble gum. The tastes like that. And Sprite. And this is what we got, guys. And this is for that right there, the flowers right there, the bonsai. And this is the other bonsai for the tall bonsai. So yeah, it's very heavy too. So we're gonna have lunch. And I love the chicken from Burger King. And Tommy gets something different, but I don't understand what is this. Oh, he gets different one. Yay! He gets a burger, 2 different kind, the chicken and the waffle. They're really good. Thanks, hon. Yeah. Here's the flower, guys. It's really nice though. This path is perfect. It's nice. And that one over there, it's dark brown. I'm planning to cut this. Right here. That it will keep going up. I like it. It's pretty nice. So, and also, guys, I'm going to decide to cut this branches. Some of this actually, like for example, this one here. This is long, so I'm gonna cut it until here. And what else? What else I'm gonna cut? This one here, I'm gonna cut it right here. And that's it. I'm so happy with the flower, guys. So perfect. Tommy picked the good one. He liked that. We both like it actually. There's another one that I like it, but this one we decided it's nice. Okay, guys, I guess I have to stop eating this one. It's not healthy. I have to stop. I can't stop. I have to stop, guys. I can't stop. I'm good. I'm good. Tommy told me that when he went to the shower, when he get out from the shower, when he get dressed, he heard Hubs crying. So yeah, Hubs is crying. in his mind. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go to the hot tub, enjoy the freaking tub, hot tub, whatever. Hello, I just get out from shower of tub, jacuzzi, and then I took shower. Han, is this the Christmas light in the window have a timer? Okay, because the outside is on and then the window is not yet.
So the outside goes on at dusk. So if it gets dark a little earlier, it goes on early because it's a rainy day.
Okay, guys, I'm just gonna keep editing the video. Oh, I'm gonna take something out for dinner. That's my thing first. Dinner. What do you want for dinner, hon? That I can defrost. Do you want the steak that you got? The ribeye? Oh, we have chicken. Is there a lasagna chicken salad, whatever? It's coffee. It smells good, guys. It's like the whole room. It smells like this coffee smell. But I want to try it.
Nut creamer.
Huh?
Cappuccino, espresso, chocolate.
Why do you feel these remains take precedence over
It's good, huh? So you use the regular coffee, and what is that you put here? I'll show it to them.
Called espresso, chocolate.
Is that a small one?
Yeah.
So this is what he used, guys. It smells, you know, he used it with natural coffee, the coffee that he been using, but this one make the whole house smell so good. Espresso chocolate. It's really, look, it's very chocolatey. I don't know if you see it. There you go. Hello, guys.
Well, the krill was the ones I got.
Yung buhok ko, guys. Yung buhok
She
ko.
just commandeers them. But that's,
Done, guys. Done washing it.
she does.
Time check, it's 6:49 in the evening, and we're watching Bones. Oh, inside is not Bones. Hi, Ate Malu Kalamba. Corgi. I think that's how you pronounce the family name. And also to Suin. She's from Singapore. Suin, you know what? Suin, the Philippines that's a brand of underwear. That's my mother's favorite underwear brand. Suin. I know you said you're from Singapore, but I don't know if you are Filipina working in Singapore. Let me know. And also to Ngiga Nimuno. Oh, you have a YouTube, and that's the Bisaya thing, Ngiga Nimuno. And to Lisa Larcy, and hi Cora Jackman, you always send me a nice messages on YouTube, on Facebook. And also to Jerusalem Banga, Jerusalem Banga, hi. And to Barbie Angel, hi guys. And Shay Rail. And also to Silsa de la Puerta Clemens. Hi sis. I'm not gonna call you sis. I'm gonna call you ate. And also to Beth, my friend Beth. She is not my just YouTube friend. So Beth, don't worry about the under the counter drug. And to Ruth Higarty. Hi Ruth. And also to Shilik Shenzon. You change your name. Oh, si Aurora. And also Lisa Vigil, and to Glory McNay, and to Beth, different Beth, and also to Jobel Lita, hi Jobel, and Elimich, Madonna 319, Marivic Salangsang, Kissy Ricafort, Elena Morgan, Juju's Journal, hi sis, and to Phil Adelphia, and to Dwayne George, hi Dwayne George, how's your girlfriend? And to Simpling Pinay, hi Simpling Pinay, Black Flag 420, Merly Valenzuela, hi sis, Jennifer Perez, hi Cynthia Johnson, hi, oh Sweetie Nail, Hi. Searching Beyond Ian Lurican. Juby Wildfield. And also to Mario Padelia. Thank you guys so much all for watching. So we're having dinner, guys. Dinner time. It's already 7:47. And we have chicken.
That's a plane.
Huh?
That's a plane. 747.
Chicken. And I got heated up poppers for Tommy. And the same thing from Christmas, guys. Never go bad, huh?
It goes bad. Everything goes bad. It's a holiday.
And Tommy have take out this. What is this? Vegetables mix for, like, you know. Me, I'm just gonna have salad and chicken. Hi guys, I'm back again, and time check, it is 10:47 in the evening. And yes, so we're supposedly be like already snoring, but we're not finished the movie, the Lost in Space. So we're not done it yet. Almost, like, how many minutes more to go? 15 to 11 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes more to go, guys. We're done with it. So yeah, so that's really it, guys, and good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow, guys, in my next vlog. That means tomorrow's vlog, you see it tomorrow. So anyway, guys, bye. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Oh, anyway, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please click the subscribe button down below, the red one, guys, the red one. And yeah, so bye. Good night, guys. Oh, my husband say good night.
Hi, guys.
Night, night. Bye.
The almonds in it will go bad.
The almond.